Welcome back. Today on Real Reviews, we have the Roedix R9. This is a mini air duster from Vogma. And I wanted to bring this to you guys and show it to you guys because it is crazy. I mean, this thing just actually blew my mind. It broke my anemometer, and I will include a video of that happening. But this thing blows air at almost 50 miles an hour, and you're going to be surprised at how tiny this is. So first off, let's take it out of the box, show you what comes in it. I have a little air duster tube here. We have our charging cable, and then we have the beast. This is the absolute beast right here. And obviously a little manual. So we have like a little tiny manual that comes in the box as well. And this thing is just an actual insane beast. So here it is. This is the beast right here. This is the Roedix R9 mini air duster, compressed air duster. And this is just insane. I mean, you can blow the leaves in your yard with this, okay? So first off, in order to turn it on, just go ahead and press the little button here. And these lights are going to light. Now these, as far as I can tell, they're not an indicator of battery life. So it's not going to like go down to 3 lights or 2 lights or 1 light, nothing like that. It will just start flashing once the battery needs to be charged, and then you charge it. And it's like, I think it's about 3 hours of charge, and it lasts for up to 180 minutes, which is really, really good. Now I did also put a little piece of blue tape over it because the lights were super bright and they were kind of blinding me. So you might want to consider doing that if you purchase this as well. So first thing you do is you turn it on just like that. And once you turn it on, this is the little lever right here that actually controls it. And if you wanted to use it to like dust the keyboard or something, you could put this little attachment on. It just kind of snaps in just like that. You could just dust your keyboard, whatever you might want to dust. Now I actually use this for dusting collection bins on my other vacuums because, you know, they get dust all around the little door and it doesn't really close right. So you can just put this on. You could dust the little collection bins on your other vacuums with this little duster. So let's take that off for now. Just show you what this thing sounds like. Here we go. And it has a couple different levels. I mean, it's literally blowing my hand back right now, okay? It's really hard to show you how strong it is, so I'm going to do something for you right here. Go ahead and attach this balloon, and we're going to do a little experiment. Let's see if this thing can pop this balloon, okay? This is going to be scary, guys. You ready? Here we go. Broke my fan. This thing is so powerful. If you want a little mini air duster to dust your electronics, your computer, I mean, you will never need another can of compressed air again. It's crazy. I don't even know how to tell you how strong it is. You just have to get one and try it. It literally blows your hand back and makes you feel if you had 2 of them, you could fly. I mean, it's just insane. If you can take a look inside of it right here, it has like a little like turbine inside of it. It's just completely insane. Literally a turbine inside of this thing. It's just so powerful and so crazy. 3 fan speeds. Little mini air duster, Roedix R9. I highly recommend this thing. So if you are interested in purchasing it, I will leave a link in the description where you'll be able to get it from. And if you would like to show your support, please be sure to use my links as they do generate a small revenue for the channel. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video on Real Reviews. See you guys next time.